All right, cylinder number 5 exhaust. Come on, baby. Let's wipe you off first. It actually looks fairly decent. All right, you go in your home. All right, cylinder 5 intake. Come on, baby. Let me wipe you off. Looks pretty good. Oh, put you in your home. Cylinder 6 exhaust. Come on, baby. Come on. You and me go fishing in the dark. Na, na, na. You know how the song goes. Exhaust. It had some marks. Let me wipe that for sure. There's just a little scratch. You can see it right there. But other than that, not too shabby. Okay, let's do 6 intake. Come on, baby. Oop. Come on, you want to come out. Come on, you want to come all the way up. Come on, do it for Dad. Yeah. All right, let me wipe it. 6 intake. Looks pretty good. Definitely more than 1,000 miles of wear, but looks pretty good. Number 7 exhaust. Come on out, baby. Let's wipe you off. All right. Is that a chip? It is a chip. Okay. Number 7 exhaust. It has a chip. You can see it right there. In your home it goes. Number 7 intake. Number 7 intake. Oh boy. Look at that edge. Let me wipe this down. 7 intake. We are chewed up. The wear in the center is good, but look at our edges. They are chewed and chipped. All right, let's do number 8 exhaust. Come on, baby. 8 exhaust. Oh boy. Chipped, chipped, chipped. Wiping it off now. 8 exhaust. Look at that chipping. The wear in the center's pretty good. It's polished more than it should, and it's got pitting. Look. You can see it in the light. And that's 8 exhaust. I'm sure those are the lobes that got hurt. And here's 8 intake. Come on. Last one. Oh my. That's the one we saw yesterday that was really, really hammered up. Now we can actually see it here. Let me wipe it. And there it is. And you can see it's kind of indented in the center as well. You can see it in the reflection. Wow. Oh my God. All right, next step, pulling the cam out.